In today's video, I am going to teach you how to track employee attendance through Zoho People. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Zoho People account, and you are on the main dashboard. Attendance details are managed from the Settings area, so the first thing you will do is open Settings. Once you are in Settings, look for the Attendance option and click it. This is where Zoho People centralizes attendance configuration and tracking, and it is also where you can quickly access current and past attendance activity. After you open the attendance section, select the view that shows real-time check-in and check-out times. This real-time view is especially useful during the day because it lets you monitor who has already checked in, who has checked out, and the exact time those actions were recorded. When you are reviewing real-time entries, take a moment to confirm you are looking at the correct date and that the page has fully loaded, so the times you see reflect the latest activity. Next, go to Attendance using the right sidebar. Zoho People often provides navigation shortcuts in the sidebar, so you can move directly into the attendance area without backing out of your current page. Using the right sidebar helps you switch between attendance views quickly, especially if you are checking records for multiple employees or monitoring attendance while you handle other tasks. Once you are in the attendance area, use the Date filter to view historical attendance logs. This is the key tool for checking attendance from previous days. Open the Date filter, choose the date or date range you need, and apply it so the system refreshes the list with the matching records. When you are filtering for a longer range, give it a moment to load, and then scan the check-in and check-out times carefully to confirm you are reviewing the correct period. If you are comparing attendance across days, keep the same filter range consistent so your review stays accurate. That covers everything you need to know.